Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be doing Gmod storm chasing. Sorry for the bad mic quality, I'm also a bit sick today, so yeah. We'll be storm chasing on the first map released in the Gmod storm chasing map series thingy, which is GM Tornado Alley Final. Well, at least I think it's the first one. So yeah, we'll be doing storm chasing, and this is gonna be our vehicle over here. Got a probe with a light and camera. It's just a basic truck, it's nothing special really. So yeah, we'll be doing storm chasing and stuff, so I'll record when the tornado spawns in. Oh, there's tornado now, oh god. It's coming this way already. Oh god. God, these tornadoes are so old. Oh, it just broke apart a gas station. Oh, there goes the probe. Oh my god. Okay, that's already gone and it's coming this way still. Oh god. Need to get out of here. Oh, just so where's the probe? I think landed near the border of the map somewhere. Oh god, send towards the oh, there it goes. I did place in some extra buildings and props and things around. Oh, it's raining debris. There goes the train. I need to find this probe. Don't see it anywhere. Oh god. Oh, it's right over there. Oh god, the tornado's coming this way. Oh, and the siren went off again for some reason. Oh, die. This map is really buggy if you didn't know. Because of the very old tornado system, and it just appeared again. Oh my god, like jumped. So, oh god, it hit the house. Oh, it's doing damage to the building. Oh, it's engulfing. Oh, it just took the roof thing or whatever. Gosh. This big tornado and it's oh my god. I'm trying to get the probe in there. No. Well, that didn't go too well, did it? Already got in. Friggin' died. Well, I haven't been storm chasing for a while. Especially in this map, and it just... car's right here. And there it goes. Is that the probe? No, I think that is... It's all the way at the freaking trailer park. Holy crap. Okay, so the wooden barn thing next to this under construction house is just gone. Train is wrecked. The house up there is destroyed. The gas station only lost the roof thing over the pumps, the gas pumps. So this, oh, there it is. Oh god, it took damage. There we go, and we've got the probe back. Car's stuck in the friggin' ditch. And there we go. This area is just broken. I want to see the damage actually on the house. Well, the damage is pretty bad. All the bottom walls got wrecked. And oh god, oh there's a bed. Oh, the staircase is gone. No clue about. The roof is actually much more intact than I expected. Wow. Jesus. Oh god, the buggy doors, because of when you load a save, it breaks doors for some reason. Oh my god. It's a good thing we weren't in this house while this happened. We'd probably have been dead. I'll cut to the next tornado spawns in. Because, yeah, it's boring waiting for them. There's another tornado just spawned. God, there's debris from the building. Where's this heading? Is this heading towards the gas station again? Oh, it's heading right towards... Wait, no, it's not. It's heading away from this. Oh, it's heading towards the trailer park. It's probably gonna get... Oh. Just feel my FPS dropping. Oh god, their cars are getting flung. Oh god. Oh my god, it's just throwing all that around. It's so loud. Jesus. Holy shit. Oh my god. That trailer park is gone. Oh, it's heading towards the drive-in place. Oh, Jesus. It's just raining down debris. Goes a car. Oh. Oh, and it died. That lasted like no time. Oh, no. Mouse kind of messed up, but whatever. Wow, this is just gone. There are these trailers everywhere, and this didn't break somehow, which is impressive. Let's go, check out the damages on the trailer park. Well, the damage is pretty bad. The trailers have been flung everywhere. I can't speak when I'm freaking sick. Gosh. And this car is... How did this staircase thing survive? And this friggin' car didn't really. And the main trailer park building thing. It's not really a wash house because I don't know what to really call this exactly, but got destroyed pretty bad. Might have been able to survive in this room, but because some of the roof survived, but most of it got destroyed. Oh my god. I'll probably do one more tornado and then end the video, I guess. There's debris everywhere, just friggin' cars and stuff. Oh, there's another tornado. Oh god, it's throwing around the train cars again. Oh Jesus. These trains are so old now, because you look away from them for a long enough amount of time, they like break down a lot. Oh, is that coming this way? No, it turned. God dang it. Debris. Should probably not turn that on. Oh, this is quite close. I don't know if I can make it in time. god, it is. I think it is. Oh, there goes the probe. That is... God, I just... These tornadoes don't even carry, like... Oh, and it just dies already. And there's a friggin' fence just slowly falling down. Because source engine physics. I don't think this tornado did much damage. I'm not fully sure what it did. I'll just nuclear around and see a bit. So it did come close to the house. I don't think it did more damage. But it did throw it. I can't speak anymore when I'm sick. Sorry about that. But I did throw around all the train cars and things. Oh, this is bad damage. The probe is right there. But the buildings that survived are the gas station, well, except this roof thing, but the main place survived, and the drive-in movie theater place, and the barn, which is, I think it only has 2 parts that are breakable in the entirety of this building, but whatever. But yeah, that'll be the end of this video, so thanks for watching and goodbye.